How to fix update stuck on working on updates in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Pause and resume update. A temporary glitch might freeze the update process, and pausing then resuming can nudge it back into action without much effort. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Reset Windows Update components. Corrupted or stuck update files in the cache can prevent progress. Clearing them forces Windows to fetch fresh copies. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Run Windows Update and Network Troubleshooters. This built-in tool can detect and fix common update issues, potentially unsticking the process by resetting stalled components. Hard drive issues like bad sectors can disrupt the update process. Checking and repairing the disk might resolve the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Close down command prompt and restart your device. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the event viewer.